terms of economic development. We are deeply concerned about repeated allegations of excessive and lethal use of force against protesters, enforced disappearances and mass detentions, including of children, as well as by worrying restrictions on civil society, the media and opposition. I have requested my office be given access in order for it to conduct a human rights assessment, particularly to the Oromia and Amhara regions. In response, the government has claimed the recent violence was inspired by outlaw and terrorist groups, and argued it will conduct its own national investigation into the killings of protesters. I welcome a national effort, but believe the government should also consider the need for an independent, impartial, and international effort to affirm or revise the allegations. May I add that given our privileged relationship with Ethiopia, which hosts one of our regional offices, and our promising draft agreement with Turkey to set up a regional office there, I find it mystifying we are not being given access to areas where the expertise of my office can so clearly be of immediate and sustained assistance. Mr. President,